So now I'm ready to do my 1-inch hem. So here is my 1/2 inch seam already done for my 1-inch hem. Now for my 1-inch hem, what I can do is I'm going to fold it up 1/2 inch. So again, use your ruler. I'm gonna fold it up 1/2 inch and then iron it, and then fold it up again 1 inch and then iron it. So I'm not doing any sewing yet until I've already folded it up 1/2 inch and then another inch. So I'm gonna go do that on the iron and then bring it back. Okay, so now I have my fabric ironed. So I have my 1/2 inch first and then my inch. So this should be pretty close. Yes, and my 1/2 inch, 4 boxes. So now I'm ready to sew this. You do not sew it when you do the half first. You just sew it once you've done both ironings, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin it on the other side. Again, about 4 pins. This fabric is not slippery. If you have a more slippery fabric like a satin or a silk, then you wanna use kind of more pins. But for stuff like this, you don't need so many. All right, so now this is ready to sew. I'm gonna sew it on this side, so not the side that actually has the fold. I'm gonna sew it on the other side. This fabric, you're kind of lucky, you can see through it. So what I wanna do is try to sew it kind of close to that folded edge. It's to hold that folded edge down. So if you're over here, you're not sewing it, right? You need to be on the piece that needs to be kept in place, okay? So I'm gonna sew it here and put my foot back in since we had taken it out to show you. Remember, the foot is 1/4 inch. So I know for this, I need a bigger one, right? Almost an inch. So like I said, I can see it. So I'm gonna I try to let the actual fabric guide me, or you can, again, line yourself up on one of the lines on the plate. Those are your options for this. So I back tacked at the top, I'm gonna back tack at the bottom, so the start and the finish. Always back tack when you're starting and stopping your sewing. Otherwise, it can start coming apart. This is especially important when you're doing your garments. You don't want your skirt to start falling apart, right? You want it to be nice and secure so that when someone's wearing it, it's not gonna come apart. Okay, so we have our 1-inch seam. It is good practice to now then iron this, okay? So this is our 1-inch hem. So it's a 1/2 inch seam, which is the part in the middle that we did, right? We did 3 of them. And then we're doing this 1-inch hem. And then we always want our name on it. So I want you to have your full name on it, okay? So now I'm ready to do my 1/4 inch hem.